Hi friends, this is Kamalika. Welcome to my channel Kamalika's Korok, means the taste bud. Today I am going to show you a unique Indo-Italian fusion food, eggplant roulade. I always love to experiment with food since my childhood. Today I dare to experiment a new recipe with you all. So let's get started. At first, we have to sprinkle some salt and mustard oil to the meat and massage. I am mincing the pork in a food processor with a few green chilies. Instead of food processor, you can use knife as well. I am fortunate enough to travel to a few parts of the world and came across to different cuisines. Italy was one of them. I think the texture is perfect. It's time to chop the onion and garlic cloves. Let's move on to cooking part. For preparing the meat, I am using our favorite mustard oil. Heat the pan and add mustard oil. Add some minced garlic and saute for a few minutes. After that, add half of the chopped onion. We will save the other portion for later. Now I am adding salt. Normally I use 5 gram or a teaspoon for 1 kg meat. Stir for a few minutes and then add the minced meat. Now we need some patience. We have to stir the mixture well and cook for a few minutes. Now I am adding some Indian twist, Indian masala like coriander, fennel and cumin powder. After adding all the masala, mix it well. While cooking, meat will release some water and we have to dry it all. Cover with lid and cook for some time. It might take 10 to 12 minutes. After a few minutes, remove the lid and add some mozzarella and cheese. After melting the cheese, the meat will become more creamy and sticky, which is really necessary for the roulade. In this process, the meat is ready. Transfer it into a bowl and set it aside. Reheat the pan and spray some olive oil. Add minced garlic and remaining onion. Saute for a few minutes. Add tomato puree and stir it well. Now it's time to add fennel powder, which is absolutely game changer for this recipe. Add some water and black pepper and cook until the gravy turns thick and consistent. Now slice eggplants into thin strips. For this recipe, I am using Chinese eggplant. You can use thinner one. These slices need to soften slightly to be rolled properly. Spray olive oil on the heated pan and place the slices gently. Slightly cook both the sides, just enough to soften, not mushy. Finally, all the ingredients are ready to make the roulade. It's time to do some artwork. Take a strip of eggplant and place the sticky meat upon it. Roll them gently and secured the roll with toothpick. In this way, we are preparing all the roulades. In a baking pan, layer the base with tomato gravy. I am using air fryer. You can use an OTG, microwave or any griller. Now place the roulade one by one. If you don't have any of this oven, don't worry. You can use heavy bottom pan with lid and slow cook the food for grilling. It's time to garnish with more tomato gravy and mozzarella on top. Drizzle some olive oil for smooth texture and flavor. Time to place the roulade in the oven. Set the oven at 425 degree Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. After preheating the oven, we have to place the pan in the oven and cook for 15 minutes. It may vary from oven to oven. Our creamy, cheesy, crispy meat eggplant roulade is ready to be served. You can enjoy the dish with any types of bread or without. I hope you like the recipe. Please try it and let me know how it turns out. See you on my next video with another recipe. Till then, stay happy, eat healthy and stay tuned.